This video will show you how to make $1,500 by simply listening to music. How do you do it? We're about to discover. This is how you can earn $4.50 per track by listening to music. People who watch my videos actually subscribe to them. If you find this video useful as well, subscribe now, then point the notification bell. You will be notified whenever I come up with a new strategy to make money online. This will ensure that you make the most of your money. Let's get going. First, I urge you to visit SoundCloud.com. This website allows you to search for and listen to different songs and music. It's completely free. SoundCloud is free to join. You can find a wide range of music to listen to, as you can see in this image. All this music is available in multiple languages. SoundCloud can be downloaded to your smartphone. You can search for SoundCloud on your Android phone. The app will appear. Just make sure to download the correct app. You can also download the exact same app if you have an iPhone. Let me know what type of device and phone you're using by commenting below. Is it an iPhone or an Android phone? Which one? Let's move on. This will take you to the page where you will find the most popular music in different categories. To listen to music from this category, click on the link and you'll be taken to the next page. To start listening to the music, click on the play button. There is actually a playlist that goes with each song. This playlist has over 50 tracks. You can also listen to this music from your computer or smartphone. You now know how SoundCloud lets you find music. I would like to introduce you to azlyrics.com, where you can search for different music lyrics. This platform has a lot to offer in music. For example, I could search for the lyrics to Light Switch, enter the song title or artist name there, and then choose a song from the drop-down list. Then, you will be taken to this next page to listen to the music. Please pay attention to the next section so you don't make mistakes. This is the title of the song, as you can see. These are the lyrics. This is a great opportunity to listen to the music and translate the lyrics. You can easily make a lot of money transcribing a simple song. It is usually between 3 and 4 minutes in length. You will be paid $1.50 for each audio minute. This is just by listening to the music and translating it into lyrics. A typical song lasts around 2 to 3 minutes. Based on these earnings, you could earn $5 per track or even more. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end. Kindly click the subscribe button now to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.